In today's video, we are going to learn through the power of AI how to make money online with the photos that are already in your phone. Welcome to life. It's Anthony Scott, and you're here because you need money for it. Today, you're going to learn how to make money with your phone. You're going to learn how to get paid off the photos that are in your phone. We're going to show you where to look, how to do it, how to set it up, and then how to make AI do half of the work for you. I have ChatGPT up, and on this side, I had said, what are the best websites to upload my stock photos to get paid like Adobe Stock Contributor, but only give me the top 10 for earnings? I'm asking it because I want to help people make more money. I'm asking it because I want to show you guys a strategy. This is a great opportunity. You're looking for the top 10 stock photo websites where contributors actually earn the most money, not just the ones with the biggest libraries. Here's the breakdown based on contributor payout rates, buyer demand, and real world earnings potential in 25. Now, number one, best stock photo earnings for 2025, it's Shutterstock. Okay, one of the largest markets, high buyer traffic, earnings 10 cents to $5 per download, up to hundreds for extended licenses. You can create an account and look up how to be a contributor or a creator. This has all sorts of different options. Right now, we're looking through the lens of if we were going to utilize this. And then it goes on to show about us, the relations, the careers, sell your content right here. You're going to go ahead and hit that. And then you're going to see become a contributor. All right. And then get paid, and it'll run you through everything. For those of you that have a bunch of high-end images, either in your phone, in your cameras, whether you just have a lot of extra photos from photo shoots or anything, this is a great way for a photographer, freelancer, or just any stay-at-home mom, dad, busy college student to just make some extra money on the side. So here is the power of this. With these websites, this will help you earn a digital income. I'm going to show you these websites. The next is Adobe Stock or Getty Images. Okay, it's Shutterstock. Let's see what AI said. So we did Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. Let's see, this was Shutterstock. Here's Adobe Stock. Let's see, let's just refresh this. Not just, oh, here's a website. Here's how you can make some money. You're looking for it to be a contributor in every website. So the strategy though, here's Alamy, stock photography. Now, every single website is going to have its own requirements. It might be a certain file size. It might be a certain export setting, whether it's a JPEG or like a PNG, which is portable network graphic, lossless compression. Anyway, to help you more with the strategy, when I scroll down, if I didn't already think of this, I would have just asked, how's the strategy? I think about every one photo that gets accepted to somebody, someplace like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock Contributor. You could take that one listing and multiply it. So like you could put it 1 to 5 spots. So I gave you 10 here, Pond 5, Auto Elements, Dreams Time, Deposit Photos, app. And the goal is, I would say, just pick 5 places you want to do, bookmark them. And then here's a strategy. Tier 1, highest earning stock photos sites. So there's 10. And maybe just take the top 5 or go through all 10 and then make your choice. Next would be tier 2 for max earnings. Let's see if I agree with this. Focus first, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty, iStock, and Alamy. Then add Canva, Envato, Pond 5 for subscription and video photo crossover income. And then long tail, upload your portfolio to tier 2 for extra passive sales. Doesn't hurt. And then it says, do you want me to build out a list? That way you're not randomly uploading. This is a good strategy. I would maybe just focus on 5 photography sites, then upload, figure out your strategy, and start making money. Look at the requirements for what people are looking for. Make sure you know that if you're photographing people, you need a model release form. So I would just use, every site has their own release form, but it's like all the same information. Just browse through the stuff you want to go take shots of strategy. Like if you're doing nature, if you're doing animals, or whatever you're doing, people, stuff for business. And just go through and look at the marketplaces and see what they already have for those listings and go from there. That's how I would start building it out and making some money online. If you want to learn more, my name's Anthony Scott. I teach you 4 different ways to make a digital income online with any skill set, no complicated tech. You don't have to have an audience, or if you do have an audience, this plugs into it. But right now I have the private group closed, so that means it is at a do-it-yourself pace. If you want to check it out, it's available. That gives you lifetime access to updates and email support if you have any questions. When the private group does come back, the price will go up, but it is at a really good do-it-yourself. And then I support by just answering emails if you need help or have questions. I want to help you make a digital income online, whether it's through courses, photos, videos. And if you don't have a high income skill set, don't worry. I teach some of that stuff here on this channel for free. But besides that, I want you to join the CIA. Later.